Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss what is AES versus DES, but before that I would like to tell you one thing guys. I already have my main channel on which I upload videos in Hindi, okay? So guys, I have uploaded almost 65 videos in cryptography series in Hindi. If you know Hindi, do watch that guys. That will be the best explanation you can get in Hindi on YouTube, right? And now on the request of my subscribers, I am making these videos in English also. So now let's start this video friends. So what is AES and what is DES? Both of them are guys encryption algorithms. Now what is encryption? Most of you might be knowing it, but if you don't know, let's see. What is encryption? Suppose guys A is sending a message to B and that particular message is M, right? So what he will do is he will convert this message into a coded format which we cannot understand, okay? This is what we call as the ciphertext. So the process which take place to convert this message, normal message, into a coded format which is called ciphertext is called encryption, right? And for this encryption guys, we use some algorithms and AES and DES are one of those algorithms, right? There are many algorithms. These are one of them, right? AES and DES are one of those algorithms. So guys, AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard and DES stands for Data Encryption Standard, right? Now guys, let's see the second point. The key length guys in DES will always be fixed. That is 64 bits. Guys, we have one key that is called the master key, which is of 64 bit length, right? And from this particular one key, master key, we derive 16 subkeys which is of 56 bit each, right? And there are 16 rounds, that's why we have 16 subkeys. And guys, each subkey is of 56 bit, right? So that's why we can say key length is fixed over here, but key length can be variable, right? In AES, key length is variable. 128 bit key can be used, 192 or 256 depending on the number of rounds. Now the third difference is we can have different number of rounds over here, like we can have 10 rounds, 12 or 14 rounds. Depending on the number of rounds, we will have the specific key. Like for if we have 10 rounds, we will have 128 bit key. If we have 12 rounds, we have 192 bit key, and for 14 rounds we will have 256 bit key, right? While in DES guys, we will have 16 rounds only, and all those rounds will be of identical operation, right? If one round is performing some operation, all the 16 rounds will perform the same operation, right? Now guys, the fourth difference is the structure is based on substitution and permutation network. So friends, for substitution we use some S boxes, and from those X boxes we take the values and place it in another 4x4 matrix, right? We will take one single byte. In AES guys, we give the input in form of a 4x4 matrix, okay? This is the 4x4 matrix for an example. So what we will do is we'll take one single byte, okay? One byte means 8 bits. So we'll take this byte, we'll send this byte into this substitution table guys, S box we can call it, right? So what will happen is this is one byte, that's why this will have 8 bits. So suppose these are the 8 bits. So first 4 bits will represent the row and the last 4 bits will represent the column, okay? So we'll see the row number and the column number, specific row and column, and guys, wherever they are intersecting we'll have some number, right? Suppose for an example that number is 3, so we'll take this number 3 and we'll put it over here in this particular box, right? In this output box. So this is the scenario of this substitution. So in this way substitution takes place, and guys, permutation also takes place in AES. In permutation guys, we are shifting some rows. For an example guys, in the first row, that is this row, we are shifting by 1 byte, right? So F2 will come over here, 63 will come over here, 26 will come over here, right? And this F2 will come over here, right guys? So this is the scenario. In this way permutation takes place in AES. DES is based on Feistel network. Now guys, what is Feistel network? Let me show you. Suppose friends, we have some plain text, okay? It is divided equally. Suppose we have 64 bit plain text, so we will have 32 bits over here, 32 bits over here, right? So what we'll do is we'll take the left 32 bits and we'll XOR it, and we'll take the right 32 bits. We will pass these 32 bits through a function, and using a key guys, we'll pass it through a function and we'll get some output. So this output and these left 32 bits will be XORed and we'll get some output over here. And guys, after the operation, we'll take these 32 bits, that is the right 32 bits, and we will give it as the left bits for the next function, and we'll take these 32 bits and we will give it as a input for the next round, right? So here what we are doing is we are just swapping the bits. So guys, this was our one round in Feistel structure. If you know Hindi guys, I have already uploaded lecture on Feistel cipher structure, so you can watch that, okay? I'll give the link in the description of that series also. So we have discussed this. It is based on Feistel network guys. Now AES is more secure and it is the world standard guys, okay? In many places AES is used, and for if we talk about DES guys, it is less secure, okay? There can be some attacks on this, we'll discuss it later on, and it can be broken down also. So guys, we can say it is weak, right? And in DES we have various versions like 2DES, 3DES. So 3DES is the most secure version of DES, right? So it is more secure than DES. So guys, let us see the rounds in AES. Rounds in AES, first of all, we'll have byte substitution. As I have shown you, we'll take one byte and we'll give it to S box and we'll get some output, right? And guys, in the shift rows, we will shift some rows, right? Like we'll shift the rows by 1 bit or 2 bit depending on the row number. Guys, if you want to make me a lecture on AES, separate peg lecture, or on AES and DS, do comment. I'll make it for you guys, right? Then we'll do some mixing of columns. This is the scenario. Like we'll take the first column, we'll multiply this column with this constant matrix, and we'll get some output, and this output will be stored in the output matrix. Okay, this is the scenario of mixing of column. And then the guys, fourth one is the adding of key. Okay, key addition is there, in which we'll simply take this state matrix, we'll have one matrix, we'll XOR it with some keys, right? And then we'll get some output. So guys, this is the scenario. In AES we have these four steps. Now guys, when we talk of rounds in DES, first of all expansion will take place, then we'll do the XOR operation with the rounds, and then substitution and permutations also. Okay, but guys, the substitution and permutation are a way bit different than this AES algorithm. Okay, if you want guys, just comment there and tell me that you need a lecture in English on AES and DS or not. Okay, I'll make it for you all separately. So this is the scenario. Guys, if you know Hindi, you can watch that. You will get the link in the description. Okay, if you know Hindi, you can watch these tutorials. I've already explained these topics. So guys, when we talk of AES, it can encrypt 128 bits of plain text, right? That is, the block size is 128 bits. Whereas in DES, we will have only 64 bit of plain text. And DES is derived from Lucifer cipher, guys, and AES is derived from square cipher. Okay, you can get this type of question in your quiz. Like if you have 4 options, you have to tick mark the correct option, right? And it was designed by Vincent Ridgman and John Damon. Okay, this is AES part, and DES was designed by IBM, right? And guys, till date, no known attacks have been detected on AES, right? And whereas if we talk about DES, we have various attacks like brute force attack, linear crypt analysis, or differential crypt analysis, right? Now guys, when we talk of brute force attack, what happens is, if we have supposed 56 bit key, so what we will do is we'll have to check 2 to the power 56 combinations in order to guess that key, and we'll try each and every combination. This is what we call as the brute force attack, guys. Okay, we check each and every combination possible. And when we talk of DES, it is comparatively slower as compared to AES, and guys, AES is much faster. So guys, that's it from my side. Do check my main channel, and if you like the video, please click on the thumbs up button and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I will upload more awesome stuff for you. And yeah, that's it. Take care. Goodbye.